Hello kids, hope you all are safe and healthy. Today, myself Nancy D'Souza, I'm back to teach you all about a new topic that is pre-number concept. And in that, we will be learning about thick and thin concept. So let's start. We see many things every day. Some of these things are thick while some are thin. So we can say the objects can be thick or thin. Let's see some examples related to thick and thin. This red book is thick while this green book is thin. Similarly, the chalk is thick whereas the pencil is thin. Look at these two candles. The white candle is thick whereas the pink candle is thin. Now, let's hear a short story.
Hi there! Today, let us learn about two new words, thick and thin. Friends, meet Anil and his sister Mehta. And this is their bedroom. Look, Mehta is holding a thick book. While Anil is holding a thin book. This book is thick. And that book is thin. Both Mehta and Anil like to draw. Those are their drawings. Mehta uses a thick pencil to draw, while Anil uses a thin pencil to draw. This pencil is thick and that pencil is thin. Anil and Mehta sleep on their bed. This is Mehta's bed and that is Anil's bed. Look, Mehta sleeps on a thick mattress and Anil sleeps on a thin mattress. This mattress is thick and that mattress is thin. Oh look, there are two vases in the bedroom. This vase is thick and that vase is thin. This vase is thick and that vase is thin. I wonder what's hanging on that door over there. Oh, those are bundles of rope. Look, this rope is thick. And that rope is thin. This rope is thick. And that rope is thin. Now, can you name some things around you?
You all understood the difference between thick and thin? So let's see some more images related to it. Hope you all must have got the concept well. Do revise at home. Take care. See you in the next session. Thank you.